Right now I have came to the decision to bring up some new products, and I need to refine my strategy. So basically I'm doing affiliate marketing, which means I'm promoting products. I get linked to those products and I market them in social media, and every time somebody buys through my link, I get a commission. It can be low ticket or high ticket. So right now I have a team page. I'm building my personal brand on short form film in here. And as of now, I have 2 products. One consulting product that is a high ticket affiliate. So basically, if somebody buys through the link, I get $500, $600. And I came to realize that it's too much because people won't buy it from me because I don't have enough followers yet. So I don't have the trust and credibility to promote the product that is so costly. So I've made the decision to start promoting Andrew Tate's course on my team page.
What color's your brigade?
Because Andrew Tate is so known, and because I have 3K followers on my team page on shorts and less than 500 on TikTok and Instagram, so I came to realize that if I don't promote something that is known, I won't get any, because I have 600 link clicks and nobody has bought yet. So it means that this is the strategy I need to refine. And also I have used too much time on the quality of content rather than focusing on the script writing, because the script is the most important part. Maybe not in my personal brand videos, but in the AI 11 Labs marketing. So I basically do these AI videos where I market the product by doing scripts, and there's a lot of like background clips running up and text, some visuals. So I need to refine that. I need to focus so much more on the script, because I just talked with my mentor, my scripts are shit. They are literally shit. Sometimes they can be good, but I need to refine them a lot. So yeah, I need to take the consulting product out because I don't have the trust. And the script writing is very important, and the storytelling part of it, because with storytelling I can bring more of myself and people get to know me, and that means I get more trust. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's see how it goes. I think with me starting to promote the Andrew Tate's course real world, I think I will get immediate results, because I have over 1 million views on the short form in shorts and about 200k at total TikTok and Instagram. Personal brand is going good. Maybe I have 20k views at total on Instagram shorts, not so much. And I need to start a new page with the AI voice, because I don't know if I'm shadow banned from Instagram, but the few videos go up and then they go down again, and they stay there for a while. And I have posted over 100 times every day. I haven't missed a single day. So yeah, but these are the things that you need to do. If something doesn't work, start again, start clean, and refine your strategy. Yeah. Just a quick video about my journey and how I'm going to do this, because these things are needed. If you're an entrepreneur on a journey, you need to do these things. You need to refine your strategy. If something doesn't work, analyze and make the new decisions.